Hey guys, coming at you with a quick tech tip about lighting. Now, if you've done any lighting, you know that you usually need to run a DMX cable to every single light. And in most setups, you would just daisy chain from one light to the next to the next. But there are some problems that inherently can arise when you daisy chain lights together. And so one way to get away from that is to use a DMX splitter. And of course, our favorite splitter is made by Blizzard. It's called the Pipeline. It has one input, one throughput, and 8 isolated outputs, or they also make a twin model like the one we have in our rack here, where it has 4 outputs that are mirrored 3-pin and 5-pin DMX. Of course, one of the biggest advantages of having a splitter is you can run separate drive lines to different areas, maybe different lighting pipes, and then if you ever have to troubleshoot a problem, you don't have to go through your entire chain of lighting. You can isolate it to just the one pipe or the one drive line that's having issues. DMX splitters can save you a lot of time in the long run.